Welcome, in front of me I have Honor 10X Lite, and today I'll show you how camera pro mode looks in this phone. So we have to open the camera and then go for the more and tap on the pro mode. And as you can see here, we got the few things that we can manually set up. But if you don't know what is going on here, the best example will be to go for the information icon, and here we got the best description of every option here. So for example, the shutter speed. We can set exposure time. We have to keep our device steady during exposure to avoid blurring in the photo. There we got also the exposure compensation. We can change the recommended exposure settings to make photos brighten or darker. The white balance. We can prevent colors from being affected by the color of the light source. We can choose our preset white balance settings or customize our setting based on the light source. So take a look. At the first, I'm going to activate the 48 megapixel mode to get high resolution. I'm going to put this plant in front of me, and I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Okay, and right now I'm ready to use it. So we can choose the metering like that. Let's catch focus. Okay, ISO, we are going to set it automatically. Shutter speed we can change. Maybe like that, or no, wait, let's go for the ISO for 50, and shutter speed we can go for 100 and for 1 to 250. The focus we can set up very close like that. The white balance we can go for the auto white balance. The EVS disable, but we are going to change the ISO to get our photo more brighten, maybe just like that, and the photo was taken and it looks like that. So as you can see, that's how pro mode looks in the smartphone, and that's how you can change all of these values here. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.